Right, welcome to the first lesson under the course. This lesson will be looking at the periodic table and the divisions of the periodic table. Alright, the learning points after this lesson, we should be able to state what the periodic table is. We should be able to describe how elements are arranged in the periodic table, and we should be able to identify an element based on its group and period. What is the periodic table? Periodic table arranges elements by increasing atomic number, and similar elements are found close together in the periodic table. So the arrangement of elements by increasing order of atomic number is what is called periodic table. Right. We have elements are grouped basically into two: the metals and non-metals, though we have other like transition metals and so on. But basically, we have the metals, which can be found on the left and in the middle of the periodic table, around this area, the left hand side here, and the middle of the periodic table. And we have the non-metals that can be found on the right of the periodic table. These are the non-metals. Periodic tables are divided into two: the rows and the column. The rows is the vertical, the column is the vertical division of the periodic table called group, and the horizontal division of the periodic table is called the period. Right? The key area we also look at elements. Looking at group 1 elements are called alkaline metals. Group 1 elements are called alkaline metals. And there's a special group found between group 2 and group 3. So immediately after group 2 and before group 3, we have some special elements called the transition metals. These are the transition metals. This is group 2, so these transition metals, transition metal, transition metal, transition metal, transition metal. These are all transition metals. Then we have the group 7 elements that are known as halogen. The group 7 elements are known as halogen, and the group O element are called the noble gas. The group O element are called the noble gas. So thank you. Next lesson, we'll look at each of the group